Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys all are well. So today I come here with a new video. I was thinking I will make a scorpion. So first I take this picture from Google and I take it in Photoshop. Now I am tracing all body parts, legs, the sting, body, everything as much as I can. So I take this in Illustrator now. For color your drawing, Illustrator is the best way, I think. I am using brush tool. You can simply go with shortcut key. It's Shift and B. So I am marking all. If you think the past stroke is not perfect, then undo and try again. You have to need all of those shape. So keep doing until it finish. So now I am making a shadow. You have to keep doing for every shape. It's a very long process, so you have to keep patient for it. I am doing for every shape. Just keep doing. Just do again and again, again and again. For make a illustration, you have to think about the shadow. Shadow is very important for every picture, every drawing. finishing. We complete all shadows, so now highlight all color. For highlight color, just make a new layer and take it back the brush to layer. Just keep doing. Think where the light should be. I was thinking about moonlight color, so I'm trying to make it. You can take another color also as you want. Just keep doing. I want some extra light on the black part. So there it is. Okay, just need some adjustment and it will be okay. So let me know on your comment how the drawing is, and please share and subscribe my video. I hope you will like my videos and my illustration. Thank you. See you next day.